The first thing that a patient will notice when they walk in compared to a traditional primary care practice is our family-friendly atmosphere. It's a very warm, welcoming atmosphere, and I think the patients really do appreciate that from our waiting room, where they don't have to wait too long at all, and even into our exam rooms.
The staff here is great. They're always very accommodating, very friendly, happy to help. They call you up if there's a change in anything or an appointment time or anything.
We're here to answer their questions and try to keep them healthy. Our staff and myself, we enjoy it because we like to provide that type of care for patients.
I like the staff at Whole Family Medical. They are very professional and personal. They know me by name when I walk in. My kids know them by name. There's no anxiety about going to the doctor. It's a very family-friendly environment.
I've been a patient of Dr. Host for over 20 years and have always been very impressed with the office itself. They are very pleasant when you call. They know who you are, and they say, "Oh, hi Sandy, how are you today?"